guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Fitness 50 and Beyond. Because when you hit 50, everything just kind of changes. Your body shape changes, how you move even changes, how you look changes, your hair, everything. And so we're here to make the journey a little more fun and do it together. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so excited you found us, and if you're returning, we're always happy to see you. Okay, so today we have a fitness routine that will just get the blood going, will help release those happy hormones from the brain, the serotonin, and it will help release stress and anxiety maybe building up to the holidays, whether you have holiday anxiety or maybe it's daylight or it's just that time of year and you're so rushed. So, okay guys, let's get started. A 2-minute warm-up. So we're gonna do side to side, chin to chest, center, back. One more time, chin to chest, side to side, and back. Okay, roll our shoulders forward and back. What happened? No. Roll our shoulders forward and back. Roll our shoulders forward and back. Okay, now we're going to start the march. And let's add in the hands. We're just kind of going up and down, back and forward. One more time, back and forward, and side to side. Now we're going to roll our shoulders forward and roll them back. Okay, and let's get those feet marching. And we're going to do the arms, and we're going to come up and up. Down. There we go. This just helps get the blood flowing, get the muscles starting to warm up, get our lungs ready. Okay. Now we're going to march forward while still doing our arms. And stop. Today, the first exercise is going to be toe touches with windmill arms. And basically it is feet just a little bit wider than shoulders, arms out to the side, and and when you go to bend the knee that you're going towards. Okay? There you go. Now, if you have high blood pressure that is uncontrolled, do not let your head drop below your heart. You could get dizzy, you could pass out, you could fall, you could hurt yourself. So, this is a 1-minute exercise. It will use the glutes and the ab muscles. Okay, our second exercise is 1 minute. Arms over your head, and you're going to bring them down to meet your knee. just like that. Let's start. Make sure your head is pointed towards the ceiling. Your shoulders are back. Get those knees up as high as you can. Feel the stretch in your arms and in your thighs. You're doing great. Good form. I have a new camera coming. I'm so excited. All right, shake it out. All right, this next one is I'm going to do it sideways. We're going to squat, kick, and then squat. Alternate your kicks. When you squat, it's like sitting. Your body's kind of at an angle like mine. That's a proper squat. Up, kick, squat, okay? Make sure your squat is good form. Make sure your squat is good form. Now this one is a very traditional exercise. It's been around forever. Put your arms up, bring the knee up to the fist. It's like you're riding a bicycle, about that height. Don't move your arms, just bring your knees. If you have trouble with balance, definitely do this one sitting in a chair. You would just sit and bring your knee up. But the concept is exactly the same. You're riding that bike, and you're bringing your knees up. And you're going to the opposite hand. So you're crossing your knee across your body. Side view. Okay, doing great. Okay, shake it out. Always shake it out between, shake out your legs, your arms. That just helps your body release the stance, the posture. Okay, now this one we're going to lunge, punch, up, lunge, punch, up. So it's 1, ooh. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Okay, let's get started. Now we will add weights to this, or those weighted gloves. I like those for this exercise. In fact, I have a whole routine using weighted gloves that we'll probably get to in January. And I always say, you know, it's not about a number on a scale or number in jeans, because we're all beautiful no matter what. But you will probably have your numbers decrease as far as on the scale. Maybe in the jeans, but sometimes muscle. Shake it out. Sometimes muscle replaces stuff, so you might get, your jean size might actually go up, but it's a healthy size. Okay, for this exercise we're going to lunge. Bring our knee up and back, and lunge, up and back. If you need to hold the wall for this one, please do. This one's a little harder if your balance isn't good, so hold the wall, hold the back of a chair. If you can't do this because of your back, do it sitting in a chair and just cross lift your knees. I have trouble with this one because of my CRPS and my ankles, but I'll show you what I do. Okay, now this ankle is the one that's not strong, so I just hold the wall. So basically you're lunging, bringing your knee up, and you're going back. You're pivoting, center, and you're kind of doing like a half squat in the center. Okay, good job. Like I said, if you need to hold on, do so. We're just beginning our fitness journey together, so it, you know, there's going to be parts that aren't as strong. Shake it out. Okay, and our cool down is just, we're slowing our walk. We're going to kick out our legs. Maybe they're feeling a little weak. Okay, we're going to shake out our arms, shake out our legs. Roll those shoulders back. And really get that roll going deep in there. Get those muscles massaging each other. Okay, and then forward. Okay, and then we're going to bring our head back. And you'll feel the pull here, but it's just releasing, it's relaxing. We're going to put our head back. Rotate it. Pull those arms back, put those arms together, and just kind of lightly bend, pull, get that stretch deep down. Okay, and then we're going to do it in the front. Just push towards the sky, feel that stretch. You'll feel that one in your lower back right here. Good job. Push. And then just kind of flop over like this. And just kind of let your arms relax. Don't forget to bend your knees. Come up. Do your neck roll again. And shake it out. And you can relax. You can do some more neck rolls, do more shoulder rolls, but that is 2 minutes. So guys, thank you for being here today for my stress anxiety buster right before Christmas. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Also be sure and hit that subscribe button with that little bell so you will know when new videos post. Thanks for being here. Stay safe and take care.